Hi, today I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out in CapCut. First, click on your video clip and move the playhead to the point where you want the zoom to start. In the Edit panel, click the diamond icon next to Transform. This creates your first keyframe. Now move forward to the point where you want the zoom to end. Set another keyframe and adjust the scale to the percentage you want and reposition the clip. That's your zoom in done. For the zoom out, move forward a little and tweak a value to set another keyframe. Move forward again, and this time set the scale back to 100% with a normal position. That gives you a smooth zoom out. To add some style, go to the first keyframe of each zoom, right-click the diamond, choose Show All Presets, and pick an effect. Do the same for both zooms. And that's it. Your zoom effect is ready. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.